The upcoming Lok Sabha election in Assam will be held in 3 phases on April 19, 26 and May 7. Of the 14 seats, the Bharatiya Janata Party is contesting 11 seats, while its ally Assam Gana Parishad and the United People's Party Liberal are contesting 2 and 1 seat respectively. With a significant voter base among tea garden workers, the focus is intensifying as it could influence the outcome in at least 3 parliamentary constituencies out of the 5 in the first phase. Check details of the report.
The electoral battleground in Assam has intensified as the state gears up for the Lok Sabha polls slated to be held in 3 phases. With 14 seats up for grabs, the focus intensifies on the tea garden workers as significant voter base poise may become the deciding factor in at least 3 parliamentary constituencies out of 5 which will go for votes in the first phase. With more than 70 lakh tea tribe community people across the state, including around 10 lakh workers in the organized sector working in 856 tea estates, the voter of tea tribe communities will play a pivotal role in shaping the electoral battle in Dibrugarh, Kaziranga and Sonitpur parliamentary constituency. In Jorhat also, there are a sizable number of tea tribe voters. Amid this electoral favor, political parties, including both BJP and Congress, are now busy to get support from the tea tribe community people, a move that underscores the community's potential to sway the electoral results in these regions. Talking to reporters, the Assam Gana Parishad President Atul Bora, who is also the local MLA of Bokakhat Assembly constituency under Kaziranga Lok Sabha seat, emphasized the significant role of the tea garden community in the electoral landscape in Assam. Bora said that historically, the tea garden community people were the vote bank of Congress and they didn't do anything for the development of these people. He highlights ongoing challenges faced by the tea garden populace while lauding the efforts of the current government led by Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma in addressing many of these issues. Confident in the NDA's prospects, Bora predicts victories for NDA candidates in constituencies where tea garden voters will significant influence. He expresses optimism about garnering support from the tea garden populace, citing the government's concerted efforts to tackle their challenges, including recent wage increase for workers.
टी गार्डन कम्युनिटी का लोग कांग्रेस का वोट बैंक थे, कुछ नहीं किया, कांग्रेस ने कुछ नहीं किया। अभी उन लोग का बहुत सारा इश्यूज है, लेकिन हमारी गवर्नमेंट, हमारे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा ने बहुत सारा कुछ प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व किया। लोगों का साथ रिलेशन भी बहुत ही अच्छा है, तो जीतेगा यहाँ पे, अकेले यहाँ पे नहीं, अपार असम में जितना कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है जहाँ पे टी कम्युनिटी डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर है, हर जगह में टी गार्डन कम्युनिटी का वोट मिलेगा।
On the other hand, speaking to media, Bhaskar Kalindi, former leader of Assam Tea Tribe Students Association, say that there are around 55 lakh tea tribe community voters across the state and most of tea tribe community voters are in Dibrugarh, Kaziranga, Jorhat, Sonitpur Lok Sabha seats. He said the tea garden voters will become a major factor in this election in at least 3 parliamentary constituencies in the state.
All Assam is near about 1 crore है अभी, वोटर near about 55 to 60. डिब्रूगढ़ में तो फुल फैक्टर है और जोरहाट में भी है और काजीरंगा यहाँ पर भी है फैक्टर। मैं सरकार के अनुरोध करता हूँ फैक्टर और जितना है आप लोग फैसिलिटी देने से और हम लोग विधानसभा में भी है, लोकसभा में अभी चल रहा है, लोकसभा में तो फैक्टर है ही बागान के लोग।
Ashar Oran, a T-tribe community voter, hails the NDA government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
बीजेपी के लिए कोई दूसरा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फैक्टर नहीं बन सकता। अभी देखा जा रहा है कि जितने पिछले वर्ग कोई भी जनगोष्ठी हो तो वो एकदम लास्ट में है, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा काम कर रहा है। जैसे कि अभी वो जो पैसा डिजिटल हो गया, डायरेक्ट आदमी का पास में जाता है, इसलिए आदमी लोग आकर्षित हो रहा है और मोदी का प्रभाव बहुत ज़्यादा है। मतलब जो मन की बात करता है उसमें जितने लोग हैं उसका बात सुन रहा है और उसका प्रभाव और उसी ढंग से अभी निकलने वाला है।
Notably, in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls in Assam, the BJP is contesting in 11 out of 14 seats, while its ally parties Assam Gana Parishad are contesting in 2 seats and UPPL in 1 seat respectively. Election for the 14 Lok Sabha seat constituencies in Assam will take place in 3 phases on 19th of April, 26th of April and 7th of May respectively. Bureau Report.